How can I run a value proposition project cheaply? Many people are put off running proper value proposition projects and validating them with customers or consumers because they fear for the complexity of a project and the overall cost. We run very successfully 3-day value proposition creation and testing workshops. On day one, the whole team come together. They work with the existing rewind material to generate insights, which we test with customers in the evening on telephone calls. In certain cases, those telephone calls can span different geographies, perhaps Europe at 5 o'clock, the US at 7 o'clock, and the following morning, Asia Pacific. Then, having got feedback on the insights that we've created, we then generate value propositions on the second day. And in the evening, we talk to those same customers or consumers from the earlier evening to validate whether our solutions are an appropriate and credible solution to their insights. And then on the third and final day, we roll the whole thing together, create refined final value propositions, and set out the next steps for the project. That allows companies to test and create value propositions in as little as 3 days with qualitative confidence that what they've got is worth pursuing.